This is our McPherson floor plan by Wardcraft Homes. It's 3 bedroom, 2.5 bath. It is one of our most popular and it is extremely versatile. Please look through all the photos and videos of this home because they are amazing. This one has rustic birch cabinets with Madison doors, Briarwood stain, which tends to go a little orange, with a black accent glaze. Countertop is Tuscan marble. This little area is a buffet area. This is very versatile. You can change it to anything. We have this as desks. We have this as a wine bar. We have this drawn in as a combination. It's a great place for your beverages. Here's your pantry, and it has melamine shelves in it. You can use oak or alder. This would be your area for your stairs. They'll be finished on site. Your half bath, which is off of the garage. And it has a, let's see, 30-inch vanity, interior laundry with built-in cubbies, and a standard sink with a one-pole shelf there, and your washer and dryer area, which has some built-in cabinetry there also. We'll go out into the master now. We have 2 windows there. You could put 3 windows on this wall if you choose to. Think about that if you want your bed there. Bypass versus bifold doors there. And I'm walking into the bathroom. This one features a standard shower, but you can have an onyx-based shower or a walk-in shower in this plan too. These are our standard onyx sinks. White is typically what's on the inside, but you could choose to have the same color as the rest. We have some built-in shelving here and a linen right behind that closet right here. As we walk out, we're going to pass the steps again, go through our little buffet area. Again, online we have lots of options for islands, etc. Here we have 3 windows in your living room for lots of light. Closet door there. And as we're headed into one of the bedrooms, you'll see a single window. You could choose to have 2 right there to let in more light. It's more economical to have 1. Bypass doors. Do you want 1 shelf there or 2? Think about that. You could even have shelves for closets in that spot. We are a custom home builder, so we can adapt to any of those requests. This is your bathroom in between the 2 bedrooms, which has a 33-inch vanity here. Standard Moen Gibson faucets. Again, you can choose to have 2 windows back there. This one does have some built-in shelving. That bottom one is intended to be a desk, a built-in desk. You could choose just to have shelves there or to take that away and use it for another bedroom. Here we have bypass doors. Check out all of our plans online. We have several videos and many pictures of this home.